Dear friends, welcome to mytestpreparation.com. This demo will guide you through the process of using the platform to the best of your advantage. As it is said that one step taken in the right direction makes the difference. Accordingly, it's not the practice that counts, but what you practice is the right step that matters and make the difference in your individual endeavor to succeed in your respective examination. Mytestpreparation.com's questions and tests have been scientifically designed and developed along with finely graded questions and tests, keeping this logic in forefront. The platform encompasses the right mix of tests and questions arranged to logically correct complexity levels to give you the best practice platform. It further helps you gauge, measure, test and significantly improve the level of your preparations in true perspective and finally enables you to succeed meritoriously. So friends, all the best for your exams, and I hope this demo, once you see the demo in totality, I think you'll be able to use the platform to the best of your satisfaction and advantage. Thank you very much.
Now you can join here by this, putting your name here as this way, and email ID as you have the email ID, you just put here. Now the mobile number, the 10-digit mobile number you have to put, so like this, and the category of exam. While selecting the category of exam, this will blink a while because the other field subcategory has to be filled up. In the subcategory format, you have to select which type of exam. It's an entrance exam or recruitment exam. So it's an entrance exam that I have selected, and that selection which course or classes you selected here, like AIEEE I select here, and now join. If you click the join, the email will be sent to your email ID. Here it's registered successfully. We will send you the user ID and password to you on your email ID. Okay, .com. You just copy the username, as username and the password is the same thing, so you just copy it and paste at the place, like username is this and the password is also same. So now you log in, and the login page you have to activate your free test. So go ahead, now take a free test is there. Now take a free test. The user ID password is already existing. Now my last report is not available, so you can upload your photo here, your self assessor is here, formality create self tests. Now mathematics, physics, chemistry, what you want, like mathematics, if you select, see algebra, trigonometry, set relations and functions, calculus, coordinate geometry and vectors, statistics and probability, whatever the, like in algebra there are complex numbers, quadratic number, and even here you can search like calculus, matrix, all these things are coming. You can select multiple questions here, and L2 it's for the 11th and 12th obviously. Now mark the incorrect as the point, negative marking is there, and check availability and before you test. Now click here to quit this window. Difficult level is there. Okay, now you can start here, start the test. On starting the test, there are the questions you have to select, like if here I am using whatever the answers you feel, and as per the procedures you proceed, and now submit. Now you have the mark sheet here. First mark is this: all the questions are incorrect. Now like this you can go for the other exams. Now IEEE topics is there. In this, total questions you have attempted. Simulator is there. Mock test you can give here, and report and analysis, whatever the things today I have given. The marks obtained is minus 75.75. Comparative study is there, where mock test there is nothing, so it's coming null. Whatever things you feel about the exam and the website, you can share it with us. And this system works and operates best with the Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox, as these browsers are suitable for representation of graphs and mathematical equations. So avoid Internet Explorer to go for this website. Thank you. Have a nice day.